Hi everyone. So in this video, we are going to learn how to access our learning management system, that is the LMS, the courses in it, and the content. So for that, we need to go to our website, makerscientist.com. So you can go to Google search and you can type Maker Scientist. It will give you the options, and the very first one would be www.makerscientist.com. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to our website. So this is how the website is going to look like. Pretty cool. Now we will go to my account. Click on my account. Once you do that, you would be taken to a screen which would have two options, register or login. So you would have to register. So we are going to type in all the details in here. So we'll start with child's name, child's age, and then email ID. You can use parents email ID or students email ID, whichever is accessible, feasible. A password that you have to set, and then parents name, parents phone number, and then we'll click on register. Once we click on register, it's going to automatically take us to the dashboard page, which is going to look like this. So this is how the dashboard page is going to look like. Now what we have to do is we have to go to the free courses and click on add. Once we do that, we would be taken to a page which would display all the free courses that are available. So you can access any one of them. So let's say we are going to chemistry from home. So we are going to click on details. Then it will take you to the page which has the entire course. Now you would see that the curriculum is yet not visible to you, only the description is. So it would be once you enroll, once you click on enroll. So as you click on enroll, it is going to directly take you to the page which has all the course content. Now as you can see, it has all the topics and it is visible to you after enrolling. Now you would have to click to continue. Once you do that, it's going to take you inside the course. So as you can see, once I clicked on materials required for the workshop, it is showing all the materials which are required for this course or the experiments that are involved in this course, like that. Under each and every topic, you would have an option called complete. So you would have to click on complete once you have gone through the entire topic. So you'll get a pop-up, click on yes, and you will see a little blue tick which indicates that you have completed going through this section or you have read this section. As you can see, the links to the classes are also available. Here also, if I click on complete, you'll see that there would be a blue tick which would appear here. After watching the session, you can click on complete and then it would show a blue tick. So after completing all of the topics and going through all of the topics, you are going to get a tick mark right beside all of the topics since you have completed them. You would also have to take a quiz towards the end, which is there for you, and the passing grade would remain 80% for the quiz. Once you are done with all of the topics, you can click on Finish Course. Once you click on Finish Course and then click on Yes, a certificate would be awarded to you. And this is how the certificate would look like. Pretty cool, isn't it? Now, about our dashboard page, if we go back to our dashboard page, once we enroll for the course, in the dashboard, you would automatically see that under My Courses, the course that you have enrolled for would start reflecting. Now, there would also be a chance where you would need to want to change the name or settings from the certificate. So if you want to change your name, you do not like how it is, you can do that by going to the settings. So when you go to the settings, you can change your name, you can change the display name. If you want to change the display name, let's say you want it to be this, and save the changes. This will also automatically start appearing in your certificate. Let's see how it would look like. And where can you find your certificate? You would find your certificate right here under certificates. So after you have done completing the course, as you can see, if you click on it, this is how your certificate would look like, and the name would also be changed as per you want it. So this is how we are going to access the LMS, the content and everything from it, complete the course and get a certificate. I hope this video helps you. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.